Okay, so I'm going to show you how to edit an alternate page because when you click on a page, you can kind of select different alternate pages for the actual kind of look for this particular page or any particular page that you're editing. And basically, let's say I wanted to actually edit page.alternate. It's not all that simple because I would have to actually go into the code. Let me explain. So I have to actually go into where it says online store. I'm going to open this up in a new tab. Once I do that, I'm going to have to click on actions and then edit code. And then where it says templates, scroll down to where it says page alternate, page contact, page liquid. Page liquid is basically the default page setup. Page contact and page alternate are basically just sub template designs and that are specific to certain types of pages. And so with page alternate, I basically created this to be able to include a map. I didn't want to add a map to just any page because then on every page a map would show up. And I didn't want that. I didn't want to spam every page with a map. So I created an alternate page called page.alternate.liquid that contained the selectable map. Um, and so that's why you would only see this on one particular page. I hope that makes sense. This is where you would be able to edit it. If you knew what code specifically you wanted to write out, then you would do it here. And then when you saved it, then when you saved it over here, then you can go back and you can select where it says select template for this page and then just select whatever you just created. Does that make sense? Hope that makes sense.